In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create miniature art in the Google Gemini Windows app. We'll build a rich, imaginative prompt, send it to Gemini, and let the app render a playful micro-scale food scene with cinematic polish. Open the Gemini Windows app and click the plus sign beside the message area to upload. This attaches a file to your request and can help ground the generation. It can be a photo, a sketch, or any visual reference. Common formats like JPG or PNG work well. After you choose the file, confirm, and make sure a small thumbnail appears so you know it's attached. Keeping images under a few megabytes can help the app respond more quickly. Now move to the prompt field and write a clear, detailed description. Lead with the subject, then describe texture, scale, and characters. Follow with typography and lighting. Finish with technical settings for framing. Type a prompt like this. Generate a fantasy, microscopic food poster. The texture of grilled meat, shot with a super macro lens, should mimic ocean waves. The glistening, oily sheen and intricate folds should read like real waves. A tiny person is surfing on this meat wave, with a dramatically disproportionate scale. The person about 1/10 the size of the textural details, to sell the miniature adventure. At the top, include the title, Eat Venture, in a golden gradient calligraphy font. Below it, add Flavor in the Human World in a slender, sans serif font. Use professional food lighting, with highlights on the oily surfaces, and HDR to enhance layers and depth. Blend appetizing food photography, a micro-fantasy narrative, and playful cinematic elements to convey the theme of AI reconceptualizing our perception of food. Set a 4:5 aspect ratio and target 4K quality. Calling out a super macro lens and oily highlights cues the model to push detail and specular reflections, which sell the illusion of surf forming across meat textures. The 1/10 scale note anchors the miniature feel, and specifying the title and tagline ensures the poster reads clearly. When your prompt looks right, press Enter to submit. Now wait while Gemini processes the request. Macro textures, complex lighting, and high resolution can take a moment, so let it finish rendering. If progress slows, keep the window open and avoid switching networks mid-generation. Once the result appears, scan the tiny world composition, the wave-like folds, the shimmering highlights, and the typography to confirm they match your intent. And that's it! You uploaded, crafted a precise prompt, pressed Enter, and gave the app a moment to generate miniature art in the Google Gemini Windows app. You can reuse this structure for other miniature worlds by swapping the subject, the action, the title, and the mood, while keeping the prompt's clarity and order.